Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to use RGB to mix colors. Just like with hex code, you can mix colors in RGB by using combinations of different values. Replace the hex code and our style element with the correct RGB values. And so this is, again, we're just going to basically be doing the same thing that we were doing when we were transferring from the strings, meaning like the word red, to the hexadecimal number. And we're just going to do that with RGB. And so with the red, we want to do RGB 255. And then we're going to go 0, 0. And then this changes to red. So there we go. We won the first one. And then the orchid, we're going to change from that to RGB 218, 2112, 214. And so the idea with this is just basically, oh look, it's orchid. That's beautiful. We're just going to be getting sort of the muscle memory. The reason that I'm typing it in is just to help me remember how to do these sorts of things. Because if you develop the muscle memory of remembering these things or just going through it in your mind, it actually makes it so that you kind of remember it a little bit more strongly. And then finally with blue, we're going to go RGB 00255. As you can see, the spacing seems to be important in order to get it right. No, actually the parentheses is the most important part. And that's blue. And that should pass our tests. If we run the code, it works. So again, it's just the muscle memory of realizing that you can just change these hex codes and put them into this sort of JavaScript looking red, green, blue sort of format. And that's the lesson from this. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next lesson.